to discuss about the direct memory access in the architecture and the timeline diagram. A direct memory access is nothing but it is a tool which has been connected with the BIU, RAM, and DMA and the ports A as well as D device. DMA is nothing but a direct memory access. Okay, if you want to connect a processor, direct memory access is very important. While connecting across the minimum bytes to the maximum bytes, it requires a multiple byte data for the burst of the data operation. A block diagram is to be transferred between an external device and a system for the two system. A device which manipulates the DMA transfer with a processing element. There will be interrupting the processor for transfers of every byte during the bulk transfer of data. The system performance has been measured from the capable of transferring the bytes from one end to the another end. The RAM is nothing but a random access memory which is used to analyze the data, which is used for the read and write operation. There will be a DMAC hold process. DMAC is used to hold the request process after the initial stage of operation has been performed. DMC sends a hold the request to the CPU. The CPU which acknowledges system memory buses are the free to the use. The three modes of the single transfer of the bulk transfer system are release of the hold. DMAC also proceed without the CPU intervening system. The ISR processor is also said to be a DMAC processor which is used to transfer the data from a single end user to the double end user. There will be a separate communications VLAN. There will be address bus and data bus has been fixed. In the address bus and data bus, the data has been transferred from the BAU processor to the device of the RAM processor. The another ISR is used to transfer the bits of DMAC. Here we are going to discuss about the interrupt signals in case of there will be a processor will access the data from the BAU to the device. There will be a RAM will be access the data. DMA control will monitor the signal of the bus available acknowledgement signal is sent to the user. Okay, these things and all we going